Namaskara, everyone. Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel ke swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel, and this is a spoken Kannada lesson. So from the last videos, from part which part I don't remember exactly. From last 4 parts we are doing for the beginners. Basically, we are learning some standard sentences and words vocabulary. So today also in this and one last section we learned about the questioning sentences, right? So now we are learning. We are just extending that one. We learn few more preset the standard sentences in this section. So which are those actually that we are going to learn is, first one is, from where are you coming? Yellinda bartidya. Yellinda bartidya. So if you want to make it with respect, ya will become ra. Yellinda bartidira. Yellinda bartidira. From where is yellinda. Yellige hogbeku, where you have to go. Yellige. So remember, this is always the ge sounding is a to and inda sounding is from. Okay, so for example, meeting ge hogtidya. Are you going to the meeting? Ellige hogtidya. Meeting inda bartidya. Are you coming from the meeting? So meeting inda, meeting ge. The ge is always for to. Inda is always for the in. From. Okay, it's a preposition. So yellige hogtidya. Where are you going? So again, if you want to make it as a respected version, then you will have to add ra. Yellige hogtidira. Yellinda bartidya. Okay. Then if you want to say where were you? Yellide. Where were you? Yellidri. If it's with respect. If you want to say where are you, then we know this. Yellidya. Yellidira. Yellidya. Yellidira. Most commonly we will use it for a cab drivers. Yellidira. Okay. So yellidira. Yellidya. Yellidde. Where were you? Yellidri. Yellirtiya. Where you will be? Yellirtiya. Yellirtira. Again, if you want to make it plural, yellirtira. Irtira. That will come in a future tense. Okay. Next one. How far? Yeshtu dura ide. Innu yeshtu dura ide. Innu. Still how far? Then if you want to ask innu yeshtu dura ide. How far it is? Innu yeshtu dura ide. How much time? How much time it will take? If you want to say innu, then you will say still how much time it would take. Yeshtu hottagutte. Yeshtu hottu agutte. Kitna waqt hoga? What time ago? Yeshtu hottu agutte. If you want to elaborate still how much time, then you would say innu. Innu yeshtu hottagutte. Clear? Okay. Next one. Yeshtu beku. How much you want? Okay. That is yeshtu beku. How much you want? If you want to precise, tell how much you want. Then you would add innu eshtu beku. Perfect. Next one. Most common again. So something happened to you, then you would ask yenaitu. What happened to you? Yenaitu. Okay. Hegaitu. The immediate question is how it happened. Hegaitu. Immediately we will ask where? Illi. Is it? Howda? Comfortable? Yes. So these are the few sentences, so the standard sentences that will be most commonly will be using in the questioning structures. I hope you are finding it comfortable. Doubt either, please do let me know, and do let me know in the comment section which are the other sentences you would like to learn. Meet you all with one more sentence, one more video, again with the question structures and helta. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.